So here we go with a flight along the Afton Reservoir. Enjoy.
Under skies of silver grey, where the highlands rise, where the winds carry whispers of days gone by, I hear the echoes of my forebears' song in the hills of Scotland where I belong. The heather blooms with a purple hue, like a promise of home that I once knew. Through the mist I see her face so clear. Scotland, my heart will always be here. Oh Scotland, you call me home, in your valleys and your winds that roam. From the rugged shores to the highest peaks, you hold my soul in your arms so deep. Oh Scotland, your heart is mine, in every river, every hill I climb. No matter where this road may lead, in you I find all that I need. Rolling glens tell stories old, of warriors brave and hearts of gold, of battles fought and tears once shed, for the land of the living and the land of the dead. The rocks run deep with secrets untold, a mirror of legends so proud, so bold. And every stone beneath my feet tells the tale of a love complete. Oh Scotland, you call me home, in your valleys and your winds that roam. From the rugged shores to the highest peaks, you hold my soul in your arms so deep. Oh Scotland, your heart is mine, in every river, every hill I climb. No matter where this road may lead, in you I find all that I need. Even when the distance grows, your mountains whisper and your rivers flow. Through time and tide, your spirit stays, in my blood forever it lays. Oh Scotland, you call me home, in your valleys and your winds that roam. From the rugged shores to the highest peak, in the mist where the mountains meet the sea, where the heather blooms and wind runs free. A land of old, with stories untold, but our heart beats strong in every soul. We march ahead, with eyes on the dawn, but the echoes of the past keep us moving on. For the fire in the glen and the songs we sing are the roots of the tree where hope begins. Oh Scotland, my Scotland, land of the rising tide, we hold the torch of freedom with honor and with pride. We build a brighter future with your spirit as our guide, for we stand with your courage and never will divide. From the highlands high to the city streets, we carve our way where the old world meets. A vision clear for all we hold dear, a place where hope can conquer fear. The battles we've fought through the ages long, they shape who we are, they make us strong. But the future we dream is a land that's kind, where every voice is heard, no one left behind. Oh Scotland, my Scotland, land of the rising tide, we hold the torch of freedom with honor and with pride. We build a brighter future with your spirit as our guide, for we stand with your courage and never will divide. Through the storms and rain, through the darkest night, we'll walk with the hope, guided by your light. In the halls of progress, we stand side by side, but our hearts will always know where the wild winds fly. Oh Scotland, my Scotland, land of the rising tide, we hold the torch of freedom with honor and with pride. We build a brighter future with your spirit as our guide, for we stand with your courage and never will divide. Land of the brave, where the rivers flow, with a heart of steel and a soul that knows. The winds of change will lift us high, but your roots, dear Scotland, will never die.
So I hope you enjoyed that little flight along the Afton Reservoir. This is the third, or maybe the fourth, video in this short series of the journey to and the flight over the Afton Reservoir. If you're inclined to give it a thumbs up, that'll keep me happy. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, that'll be even better. And the best thing of all is, if you want to become a member of the channel, you can join for the princely sum, or princely sum, of £1.99 per month, and it'll get you access to the member section, which has a lot of little goodies in it that the non-members don't get access to. So thanks for watching. Till the next time, cheerio the now.